We're going to draw Snorlax. We'll start with the face, and that is going to be 2 hills. Follow this line up, parallel, then head upwards and out, and then gently come back down. There's an ear, a little bit of a curve up. We'll come out here and back towards the face and follow that down with a parallel line. The tummy, let us make a nice long curved line, and we'll come down on the sides like so. Make a dip, head back up, we'll dip here and meet right there. Curved line right here. Zigzags for the teeth, and since he's asleep, slightly curved lines for the eyes. Just go downwards in a curve on the left side and come down that far. Here we're going to come up with a little hill, head back down towards the body, and then with 5 zigzags we are making the fingers. This arm is going to be in the same position. Let's jump down here and just make a straight line, and then we're going to show the bottom of the paws. So we're going to come in an oval, we're going to skip, continue, skip, and then here let's make a curve and out to a point. Little soft triangles, and these of course are the toenails, claws, and an oval down here is going to finish off the pad of the foot, and I'm going to move in. Our colors: a teal for the fur, foot pads, brick face and tummy and feet, a flesh tone. There you go. Here's our Snorlax. I hope you're happy with your drawing. See you next time.